Hello everyone, this is Earl from Melting Pot TV. Today I'm having an issue with my dryer. The problem is when I turn the power on and press the start button, it will not spin. And after some research, I came to the conclusion that my thermal switch is bad or broken. A thermal switch is usually broken when your machine overheat. So for the exhaust pipe, that pipe right there, and also for your lint catcher, you want to check those and make sure they're not blocked and they're clear. This fuse could just go for any other reason. It could be old age or whatever it is. Before I get any further in this video, I'm gonna ask you to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. All right? Okay, the dryer I'm working with today, it is the Whirlpool Dual Sport. All right? And here is my issue. Power on, press start, you hear a beep, but nothing happens. No spin cycle, nothing, all right? So if you turn this knob, nothing will work there, all right? I'm not a professional by any means, but I'm usually good at stuff like this, washers, dryers, dishwasher, that sort of stuff. I could help myself. And once I get the problem solved, then I like to share it to you, my followers and subscribers. All right? So when you're dealing with anything electrical, the first thing to do is remove the power first. If you're going to be doing any kind of repairs to any kind of electrical, you want to do that first. You either remove that or you could turn off the breaker switch. All right? So, let's go. All right. So, right down here is where you have the panel, right here. So, we're going to be taking off that lower panel. I've gone ahead and put the front of the dryer, elevate the front of the dryer so I could get these screws, one here and the other one here. All right, so let's do it. Okay. All right. Once those are removed, then you just grab it right here and basically just wiggle it out. Right? Something I should show you. Like right inside this cover here is where you have the booklet. It's like a booklet with all the service information and the schematics for your dryer. All right, so if you need to, you could just pull it and take a look at it. Okay. Sorry for the video quality or anything like that. It's kind of hard when you're doing this kind of work by yourself and you have to be holding a flashlight and holding the camera and doing the work, right? So, okay. All right, my flashlight in here. Okay, so this is part of your venting system. So it blows the lint and the air through here and comes up in this unit here, okay? And if you could look around there, you see that component there with the blue wires attached, that will be your thermal fuse. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out right now. Okay, so as you can see, I have removed the wire connectors from it. Okay, and now it's held in by one small screw, and now I'm gonna be taking out that screw. Okay, all right, so here's that screw that it is held in by, and okay, and there it is. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So there's a way of testing this. If you have a multimeter, it may not be the same as mine, but here is how you go about testing it. You want to turn your meter to the ohm setting. In my case, I have one that emits a sound. Once that is done, then what you want to do, you want to take the positive lead and the negative lead and touch each point of the fuse. You should see some change in your display. If there's no change, then it's broken. In my case, I should get a beep, right? So that's the broken one. Now, here's the new one. The new one I got from Amazon. Like, they have a package of 4 for about $15, which is not very expensive, right? So now, here's a new one, and you could hear that beep, right? So that's how you tell a good fuse, all right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this in. Oh my God. Okay. All right. All right. So what you need for this job, as I say, it's a 1/4 inch socket, 1/4 inch, and a driver. You don't have a lot of room to work in there, so you don't want to use too much of long tools like extension, that sort of stuff, because you won't have room to work. All right, so there it is. I got the new one in, and now I'll just connect back the 2 blue wires. Okay, so as you can see, my wires are connected. Right? Okay, so now we're ready to give her a try. Okay, so here we go. Plug in. Power on. And start. And there we go. My dryer is back in action. I hope this information was useful to you. I would like for you again to like, share, and subscribe. And just keep an eye out for my other videos. I want to thank you for watching, and all the information that I share with you today will be down in the description. Until next time.